Andre Pitts Plotagon Videomaker 1985 Enterprises Inc. presents
Luminous Manbuddy Bulldozes and Mr. Chicken Restaurant / Grounded.
Hello, everyone. My name is Luminous Manbuddy, and today, I'm going to bulldoze a Mr. Chicken Restaurant, because I hate that restaurant with a burning passion. Ha 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 ha. Hooray! I finally bulldozed the Mr. Chicken Restaurant. That means people will no longer have to eat at Mr. Chicken ever again. Oh no! It's Sarah Schotborg.
That's right. And Luminous Manbuddy, did you, seriously, bulldoze a Mr. Chicken Restaurant? You better give me a full honest, right now and tell me the full truth, right now, and I'm not kidding around.
Well, Sarah Schotborg, you know the truth is? Yes! I bulldozed the Mr. Chicken Restaurant. Now people will no longer eat at Mr. Chicken again.
Oh my god, Luminous Manbuddy, how dare you bulldoze a Mr. Chicken Restaurant? You know that bulldozing a public restaurant is a serious crime, and you can go to jail for doing that. That's it. Go home right now. When I call your parents about this, go home right now.
Oh gosh, my parents are going to be so furious at me when I bulldoze a Mr. Chicken Restaurant.
Hello, is this Luminous Manbuddy's parents? Good, this is Sarah Schotborg speaking. I'm calling to inform you that your son, Luminous Manbuddy, bulldozed the Mr. Chicken Restaurant. Can you ground him for this? Okay. Thanks, and take care. Bye. Now time to rebuild a Mr. Chicken Restaurant by using a restoration spell. Alright, success. I rebuilt a Mr. Chicken restaurant, now that people will eat at Mr. Chicken again. Speaking of that, I'm going to buy myself a meal at Mr. Chicken. See you later.
Meanwhile, when Luminous Manbuddy got home. Oh my god, Luminous Manbuddy, are you serious right now? We can't believe what you did. We were telephoned recently by Sarah Schottborg, and what she told us is that you bulldozed a Mr. Chicken restaurant. Do you even realize that bulldozing restaurants are a serious crime, and you can get arrested for that? And now we have to pay a lot of fines for bulldozing a restaurant because of what you did.
I strongly agree with your father, but luckily, Sarah Schottborg rebuilt a Mr. Chicken restaurant by using the restoration spell. That's it, you are grounded for 8 days. Please go upstairs to your room right now.
Ugh. I just wish that I never did what I did.